have 5 of your states in this country. Lead by example. Leave those shops of yours, leave those buildings of yours, go back to your state and start developing it. If you are serious, develop your state, develop your political system. Stand today and get people in the House of Representatives who would hear your voice and see if every Nigerian will not let you go. What benefit are you to us? You only leech on us in this country.
So guys, I'm proud to be an Igbo lady. Proudly Igbotic, no cap. So guys, in as much as it's not all the Hausa Fulani people that are behaving the way this lady is behaving, we know that there are good ones, there are good people, so they are exemption of what I'm saying. So I'm addressing this lady particularly Aura to Aura and people like her. All right, other people that are behaving like her, those are the ones I'm addressing to on this video. I just want you guys to help me tell that Almajiri, tell that Aboki woman, for me, that said, the one that said that Southeast should go and develop their place. Leave their shops, leave their homes, leave their everything for her. After laboring for years, we should leave it for her and go to our place and develop it. So I want you guys to help me tell her that Igbo land, you know, that Igbo people, they first of all build at home before building outside. So I just want her, call her for me, call that lady for me, call that Aboki lady, call her for me, tell her to come closer. Let her just have just a tip of how Igbo land look like. You know, they say landlord, travel and see. If you did not travel, you will not know how other places are. Until you travel, ask people that did their NYSC in Igbo land. Ask them. If you have any relative or friend that did their NYSC in any part of Igbo land, even in the village, any remote villages in the east, ask that person to tell you his or her experience. They will tell you. In fact, when you go to Igbo village, you will think that you are in abroad. That is why I had one influencer. He said, and I quote, that Nigeria is the problem of Igbo people. And I'm beginning to believe on what he said. So it depends on you. What do you think? Is it true? Is it true? Check it. He said on one of his videos I watched, he said, Nigeria is the problem of the Igbo people. Maybe it's true. Maybe it's not true. It's left for you to judge. So let's see few clips of Igbo, a typical Igbo village. Okay, help me call that Almajiri. Help me call that Aboki woman. Call her for me to come and sit back and watch a little clip of Igbo village. Just a little clip, you know. So landlords should travel and see. Not that her mat she's carrying about. Carrying mat anywhere she goes. She carry mats. Igbo people don't carry mats. We don't carry mats. Ute. That's the meaning. Ute. We don't carry mats. You know? We hustle. We make our money and we invest our money. It yields profit. You know? We serve people by doing businesses. We bring businesses to people's doorstep. That is what people need. Their daily, everyday things that people need for their life, for their livelihood. So we do buying and selling. We also go to school. We do education. We do business and all that. Innovation. Okay? Tech. Name everything that is good for humanity. That is what Igbo people represent. So we build our villages before we even come out to build outside. No Igbo man that will have mansion in town that doesn't have in their village. Just their remote. We call it village because it's back home where you stay, but it doesn't look like village. Let's have a little clip of how Igbo land look like. All right? Just help me call that Aboki woman to come and sit back and watch till the end. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and share the video. So people should call this lady come closer to come and see. Aboki lady, come closer. Aboki girl, come closer to come and look. Just have a look at how Igbo land look like. All right, we call it village, but it's not supposed to be called village. But because it's back home, so that's why we still call it village. All right. So landlady, Aboki lady, Aboki woman, you are landlady now. You are landlady, right? So travel and see. You got to travel to Igbo land to see how Igbo land look like before you start telling all this your lies. Okay? Yeah, before you start spilling this your lies, spewing lies every day. That is all what you know how to do best. Lazy people, lazy set of people. Just go and learn business. If you want to do business, the door is still open for anybody that wants to do business. You know, Igbo people are not stingy people. If you want Igbo people to teach you businesses, they are going to teach you business, okay? If you want them to teach you how they make money, how they start from zero and ended up to millions, billions, trillions, yeah. So if you want to learn it, because I can see envy on your face, I can see envy on your people's face. You and your people, you are so lazy. You know, you are so lazy. At the same time, you are envy. You are envious of people that are working hard. You know, it's not late for you to work hard. Work hard and you're gonna be like these Igbo people you are envying, okay? Yes. As for the one you said that those ones at home, you put them on your map. That they are on your map. Hey, I laugh in Swahili. All right. So I'll see you again tomorrow because we are going to be addressing this your issue until we finish addressing every word that came out of your stinking mouth. We are going to address them one after the other. All right? So carry your chair closer so that you're gonna hear every reply of what you spew out. So to my beautiful fans, thank you all for watching. See you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and share the video and make it go viral. I remain your one and only African Lioness TV. See you guys in the next one. Bye for now.